Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez, and this is your JIS News for Wednesday, December 16. Health Minister Horace Dalley is calling on the private sector to partner with the government as it continues to roll out its Zika virus preparedness and response plan. Minister Dalley was speaking on Tuesday at the official launch of a program to train 1,000 young people to educate Jamaicans about the Zika virus and mosquito-borne diseases.
We need 1,000 clipboards for the workers in this program. We need 1,000 knapsacks for the 1,000 workers in this program. And I'm appealing to the private sector to come on board.
The first batch of 300 young people participated in a sensitization session on the Zika virus on Tuesday at the Jamaica Conference Center. They will receive a stipend for their work in communities in Kingston, St. Andrew, St. Thomas, and St. Catherine.
Go through communities and talk to people, try to educate them as best as possible to the threat of this virus.
The Zika virus is spread by the Aedes aegypti mosquito, which also transmits dengue and chikungunya. The Health Ministry is urging everyone to destroy mosquito breeding sites and prevent mosquito bites. 10 countries in the Americas, including one Caribbean country, have reported cases of the Zika virus. Another 3 public sector unions have accepted government's 7% wage offer. They are the United District Constables Association, the Jamaica Federation of Corrections, and the Senior Uniformed Officers Association. Under the 2015 to 2017 Heads of Agreement, they will receive a 4% increase in year 1 and 3% in year 2. The agreements also addressed welfare issues affecting correctional officers and cemented the decision to make the position of district constable pensionable. The National Security and Finance Ministers thanked the unions for their commitment to Jamaica's economic reform program.
We may have started off a little bit rockily early in the year, but I think good sense and commitment to the overall well-being of Jamaica has guided the negotiations as the year has gone on.
We will be spending more than we budgeted in coming to all of these, in all of these agreements, and we will have to make the adjustments to the budget as we go along.
Government has moved to strengthen the justice system by improving the capacity of the courts to deal with cases quickly and effectively. This as Public Building North, located at the Justice Square in downtown Kingston, has been officially handed over to the Supreme Court. The 4-story building, which had cost over $900 million to renovate, has 7 courtrooms, 9 judges' chambers, and 4 rooms for masters in chambers of the Supreme Court. The facility is also home to the Supreme Court Civil Registry and the Registry for Matrimonial Matters. At the recent handing over ceremony, Justice Minister Senator Mark Golding said it was part of a broader plan to rehabilitate courthouses across the island.
We are also trying to improve the efficiency of our courts through the use of information technology. The Ministry of Justice is in the process of conducting a review and developing an implementation plan for an upgraded web-based ICT platform.
The long-awaited sexual harassment bill has been tabled in Parliament. This will pave the way for victims to get recourse in a resident magistrate's court or a special division of the Industrial Disputes Tribunal.
The Act provides a legislative framework for addressing the issue of sexual harassment in Jamaica. Specifically, it outlines sexual harassment in the workplace, institutions and accommodations, and actions which can be taken by men and women against those whom such offenses are committed.
The minister responsible for information, Senator Sandria Faulkner, was speaking at a recent Jamaica House media briefing. The sexual harassment bill was modeled from the CARICOM Model Bill on Sexual Harassment and takes into account cultural norms. And finally, Education Minister Reverend Ronald Thwaites is encouraging more young people to participate in the Registered Apprenticeship program offered by the Heart Trust NTA. The program places youth within organizations to gain experience while earning a stipend.
Young people, how many times do you look at job advertisements which say they want a person with experience as well as certificate? Apprenticeship offers you that opportunity. I urge you to take advantage of it.
Minister Thwaites was speaking at the graduation ceremony for the Career Advancement Program CAP. 1,221 students from 55 institutions received certificates for completing a range of technical and vocational subjects. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.